Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your gear. Attach a reliable USB or tethering adapter, power the camera, and set its USB mode to computer control. Once connected, open Lightroom Classic and choose File, Tethered Capture. Start Tethered Capture so Lightroom claims the session. Make sure you pick the destination folder and a file name template immediately. This organizes shots automatically. Also create a metadata preset if you want captions applied on import. Doing this now prevents file chaos as you shoot. Once the tether session begins, set your camera exposure and focus strategy so Lightroom receives consistent files. Manual exposure avoids jumpy histograms. In the tether dialog, confirm the destination folder, naming template, and metadata preset you prepared earlier so each file imports correctly. Use Live View or the camera's preview to check composition, then trigger either on camera or via Lightroom's tethered capture bar. Make incremental adjustments to exposure and focus between. You finish by capturing the sequence remotely or from the camera while watching thumbnails appear in Lightroom. This confirms exposure and focus instantly. Once done, safely stop the tether session and back up the folder to a secondary drive. If Lightroom lags, generate smart previews to speed editing. If the link drops, first power cycle the camera and reselect USB mode, then restart tethered capture in Lightroom. This fixes most connection issues. Finally, validate exports before concluding the shoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.